When it comes to power and energy logging, field conditions aren't always ideal. Sometimes you need to install your equipment in locations where a flat surface or solid structure isn't available. That's where AEMC Instruments Pole Mounting Kit comes in. Designed for the PEL 115 and PowerPad 8436, this accessory provides a simple, secure, and reliable way to mount your instrument to a pole or similar structure. Perfect for long-term monitoring and demanding environments. Today, we'll see how it works with the PEL 115. Inside the kit, you'll find 2 heavy-duty metal brackets, 4 sturdy connecting pins, and 4 retaining clips. Each component is designed for durability, ensuring your instrument stays firmly in place throughout the entire logging session. Getting set up is straightforward. Start with your logger powered off and all leads disconnected, then slide the brackets into place on the unit. Next, insert the connecting pins through the base of the logger, then secure them with the retaining clips. This locks the brackets firmly to the housing and keeps your logger stable during installation and operation. Next, run 2 straps through the slots in the brackets. It's important to note that these straps are not included with the kit. These slots measure 1 by 0.157 inches, or 25.4 by 4 millimeters, and accommodate most standard mounting straps. Once the straps are tightened, the logger is mounted and ready for use. From utility poles to outdoor panels, or any remote installation where a solid mounting surface isn't available, the Pole Mounting Kit from AEMC Instruments delivers a reliable, durable, and practical solution for installing your instrument in the field. To learn more or purchase a pole mounting kit, visit AEMC.com or reach out to our tech support team. Check out our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on our trusted test equipment and stay up to date with the latest tips and product releases from AEMC Instruments.